Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In this part of the matplotlib series, we'll see how to add axis instances to a figure. To add an axis instance, we use the addAxis method. When adding an axis, we need to assign it to a region within the figure. To do that, we have to specify the coordinates of its bottom left corner and its size. The coordinates, width and height, are proportional rather than absolute, so they are in the range between 0 and 1. Let's start by importing all the modules we need. Now let's create a figure with size 8 by 6 inches and set its background color to yellow. And now let's add the 3 axis instances. So we use the addAxis method. Here are the coordinates, x coordinate, y coordinate, and now the width and the height. And we also set the face color. Now let's define the x and y values. We'll use the sine function from the previous parts of this series. Finally, let's plot the sine function. So we need 3 plots, x1, x2, x3, plot, xy, and the color is set to green. Now, if I run this, this is what I get, a figure with 3 axis instances. So, x1 at coordinates 0.1, 0.1, 10% from the left, 10% from the bottom. Width 0.5, so half the width of the figure, and height 0.4, 40% of the figure's height. Then we have axis 2, which starts at 30% from the left and 60% from the bottom, with width 0.3 and height 30% too. Finally, we have axis 3, which starts at 70% from the left, over here, and 10% from the bottom. Now, horizontally, it takes 20% of the figure's width, and vertically, it takes 80% of the figure's height. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.